Wicknell Chivayo's $2.50 billion China deal raises alarm over Zimbabwe's sovereignty. By COZWVA correspondent, flamboyant businessman Wicknell Chivayo has once again set tongues wagging after sealing a staggering USD $2.5 billion deal with China, an amount that dwarfs the USD $600 million agreement signed by the government of Zimbabwe with the very same country. The numbers are not just eye-popping, they are symbolic. In a single stroke, a politically connected individual has managed to secure more foreign capital than the entire state, fueling fears that Zimbabwe's sovereignty is being quietly hollowed out by private elites with stronger financial muscles than the government itself. Chivayo, who rose to prominence through government energy tenders, has cultivated an image of untouchable wealth and influence, known for his flamboyant lifestyle, luxury cars, social media theatrics, and public displays of generosity. He has become a symbol of Zimbabwe's blurred line between state power and private fortune. That Zimbabwe signed a smaller deal of $600 million with the same China paints a stark picture. It suggests a scenario where one man negotiates from a position stronger than the state itself. An economic analyst told COZWVA, "When an individual can outsign the government at the same table, it tells you everything about the power imbalance in Zimbabwe. The state has been reduced to spectator status, while private cronies dictate the terms. This development raises uncomfortable questions about sovereignty. If elites can command more resources than the nation, who truly governs?" Critics trace this phenomenon back to the 2017 military coup that toppled Robert Mugabe. Instead of ushering in reform, the so-called Second Republic deepened the fusion of business, politics, and the security state. Figures like Chivayo have thrived in this environment, becoming both beneficiaries and enforcers of a system where loyalty to power matters more than accountability. Across social media, Zimbabweans reacted with a mixture of outrage and resignation. Chivayo will soon be richer than Zimbabwe itself. One comment read, another quipped, "Next time, China won't need to deal with Zimbabwe. They'll just deal with Wicknell directly." For many, Chivayo embodies the painful irony of a nation where citizens endure record unemployment, collapsing services, and a shrinking economy, while elites expand personal empires. As COZWVA, we have always warned, the capture of state institutions by private cronies leads to a dangerous erosion of sovereignty. Today, it is Wicknell Chivayo signing billion-dollar deals. Tomorrow, it may be another untouchable tycoon. But one fact remains constant. The people of Zimbabwe are sidelined, their voices drowned out in a system designed to enrich the few, while the many struggle to survive.